In these tough times, what keeps us going are those fond memories, nostalgia-driven, and most of them are related to our childhood. Well, summers in childhood were so much fun. Imagine eating those lovely mangoes, lovely, juicy, and also sipping onto that fantastic drink that all of us have that very special place for in our hearts. This drink or beverage that I'm referring to is not a Sharbat, it's an emotion. This is Sharbat Rooh Afza. And the recipe that I'm going to show you today is not of a summer beverage. It is of a dessert called the Rooh Afza Custard. Let's begin. I'm going to break this recipe into two components. The first one is going to be making the custard using Rooh Afza, and the second part is going to be cutting the fruits and assembling the custard. Let's begin the recipe with cold milk. To this, I'm going to add in cornstarch. Remember, the milk is cold. Along with this, sugar. Let's stir all this well till it's nice and lumpy. To this, let's add in Sharbat Rooh Afza. Whisk this. Now you see it's become wonderful and pink in color. At this stage, you turn the flame on. Keep stirring this for at least 2 to 3 minutes to ensure that the custard is lump free. After stirring this and cooking this for 3 minutes on medium flame, you'll realize that it's become nice and thick. How do you check this? This is when you know it's done and ready. Of course, you don't need to thicken it too much because this is a liquid custard. Now that the Rooh Afza custard is done and ready, the next step is very simple. You chill this till it's nice and wonderful, and then you start adding in the seasonal fruits. Top this up with some jelly, add in some dried fruits and nuts. Let's see how. The custard has cooled down wonderfully well. Let's start adding in some fruits. Now these of course are fresh fruits of your choice, of your liking, and of course you need to check the seasonality. Let's begin with apples, some ripe bananas, along with this some diced mangoes. Now these are mangoes that I like cutting and keeping refrigerated or frozen till I like to use them. Let's stir this well. Your fruit custard literally is done and ready. Let's move on to the plating. Let's top this up with some fruit jelly, in this case raspberry. Next is to add in some segments of oranges, some pomegranates, and finally, last but not the least, some almond slivers. With this, our Rooh Afza fruit custard is done and ready. Time to taste it. Trust me when I say, times have changed, years and years have passed, but what has remained is the smile on my face every time I taste this specific dessert made with Rooh Afza. And what's more important is that the taste of Rooh Afza has remained intact over so many years now. Do try this recipe and share your memories and your recipes and minus the distance using Rooh Afza hashtag
दूर पर पास.
Let's get together and participate in this wonderful contest called Rooh Afza hashtag
दूर पर पास.
All you need to do is narrate your memories or create a video, virtually or together if you literally live together. This memory and special recipe that you make using Rooh Afza, upload this on your Facebook, your Instagram, and do not forget to tag Hamdard Rooh Afza. The best entries stand a chance to win amazing gift vouchers, and the best touching story stands a chance to be made into a digital film, a Hamdard Rooh Afza digital film. So what are you waiting for? Send in your entries.